The alarm triggered at 3:47 a.m. Dr. Mara Rodriguez had been monitoring the SETI Institute's Allen telescope array, and it had locked onto something in the asteroid belt that had never been catalogued, and it was accelerating against the solar wind. The object was heading straight for Earth. Dr. Maria Rodriguez quickly notified her team, including Dr. John Taylor, a renowned astrophysicist. They began to analyze the data from the telescope. The object was approximately 1 mile in diameter and was traveling at 40,000 miles per hour. As the team delved deeper into the data, they discovered that the object was not a natural asteroid. It had a strange energy signature, unlike anything they had seen before. Dr. Taylor speculated that it could be of extraterrestrial origin. The team's findings sparked a flurry of activity, with NASA and the Pentagon taking notice. Dr. Rodriguez was summoned to a meeting with high-ranking officials to discuss the implications of their discovery. The meeting was held at the Johnson Space Center in Houston. During the meeting, Dr. Rodriguez presented her team's findings to a panel of experts, including Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson. The panel was divided on the significance of the discovery, with some dismissing it as a hoax. Dr. Ed Smart. Tyson, however, was intrigued by the data. As the news of the discovery spread, the public began to take notice. The media was filled with stories of UFO sightings and alleged alien encounters. Dr. Rodriguez and her team were bombarded with requests for interviews and information. One of the most significant UFO sightings in history occurred in Roswell, New Mexico in 1947. A strange object crashed on a ranch, and the military quickly cordoned off the area. The incident was shrouded in mystery, with the military initially reporting that they had recovered a flying disc. The Roswell incident sparked a wave of UFO sightings across the country. People reported seeing strange objects in the sky, and the media was filled with stories of alien encounters. The government responded by establishing Project Blue Book, a systematic study of UFO sightings. Project Blue Book was led by Captain Edward Ruppelt, a seasoned Air Force officer. He and his team collected and analyzed data on UFO sightings, attempting to determine the cause of the phenomenon. They interviewed witnesses and collected physical evidence. One of the most significant cases investigated by Project Blue Book was the Betty and Barney Hill abduction. The couple reported being taken on board an alien spacecraft and subjected to medical experiments. The story was widely publicized and remains one of the most well-known UFO cases to this day. The Hill case was investigated by Dr. J. Allen Hynek, a renowned astronomer and UFO expert. He interviewed the couple and collected evidence, including a star map that Betty Hill had drawn. The map appeared to be an accurate representation of the Zeta Reticuli star system. Dr. Hynek's investigation of the Hill case led him to conclude that UFOs were a real phenomenon. He believed that they were of extraterrestrial origin and that the government was covering up the truth. His findings were met with skepticism by the scientific community. Despite the skepticism, Dr. Hynek continued to investigate UFO sightings. He developed a system for categorizing sightings, including the close encounter classification. This system is still used today to describe UFO sightings. The 1980s saw a surge in UFO sightings, with many reports of strange objects in the sky. One of the most significant sightings occurred in Rendlesham Forest, England, where several US military personnel reported seeing a strange object. The incident was dubbed Britain's Roswell. The Rendlesham Forest incident was investigated by Lieutenant Colonel Charles Hart, who reported seeing a strange object in the forest. He and his team collected evidence, including radiation readings and photographs. The incident remains one of the most well-documented UFO cases. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in UFO sightings, with many reports of strange objects in the sky. The Pentagon has established a task force to investigate these sightings, led by Deputy Secretary of Defense David Norquist. The task force has been investigating UFO sightings, including reports of strange objects seen by military personnel. They have collected evidence, including video footage and eyewitness accounts. The findings have been classified, but rumors of a major disclosure have been circulating. One of the most significant UFO sightings in recent years occurred in 2004, when the USS Nimitz Carrier Strike Group encountered a strange object off the coast of San Diego. The incident was dubbed the Tic Tac UFO and was witnessed by several military personnel. The Tic Tac UFO incident was investigated by Commander David Fravor, who reported seeing a strange object that defied explanation. He and his team collected evidence, including video footage and eyewitness accounts. The incident remains one of the most well-documented UFO cases. The Tic Tac UFO incident has sparked a wave of interest in UFO sightings, with many reports of strange objects in the sky. The Pentagon has confirmed that the incident was real and that it is investigating the cause of the phenomenon. As the investigation into UFO sightings continues, many experts believe that we are on the verge of a major disclosure. Dr. Avi Loeb, a renowned astrophysicist, has speculated that UFOs could be of extraterrestrial origin. He believes that the government is covering up the truth. Dr. Loeb's speculations have sparked a wave of interest in UFO sightings, with many reports of strange objects in the sky. The media is filled with stories of alien encounters and UFO sightings. The public is eager for answers. The government has confirmed that UFOs are real, but they have not disclosed the cause of the phenomenon. Many experts believe that we are on the verge of a major breakthrough, with some speculating that UFOs could be of extraterrestrial origin. As we approach the 2026 disclosure, many experts believe that we will finally have answers to the UFO mystery. Dr. Maria Rodriguez and her team are at the forefront of the investigation, analyzing data and collecting evidence. The 2026 disclosure is expected to be a major revelation, with many experts speculating that it will change our understanding of the universe. The public is eagerly awaiting the announcement, with many hoping that it will finally provide answers to the UFO mystery. As we wait for the 2026 disclosure, one thing is certain: the truth about UFOs is out there. Will we finally have answers to the mystery, or will it remain a topic of speculation and debate? The world is waiting with bated breath for the revelation. Join us next time as we delve deeper into the mystery of UFOs and the 2026 disclosure. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and information on this developing story. What do you think the 2026 disclosure will reveal? Share your thoughts in the comments below.